Hello, in this video I want to show you how the functions works in this action set. In this case, I'm gonna use the mask creator. I'm gonna use the mask creator type to show you how it works. I'm gonna select the action and I'm gonna play it. And after we create this layer mask, this is all the action it's doing. You're gonna have an empty layer, and you're gonna have, this is the important thing over this action. You're gonna have this layer mask, and this is what you want, a pretty clean and tight layer mask selecting the subject, or in this case the backdrop, but it's the same. You can inverse the selection and you're gonna select the subject instead of the background. So what is this useful? Let's, for example, run the kill banding action. Okay, now we do have a kill banding layer, but as you can see, the layer mask is full black. So all I'm gonna do in here, I'm gonna press Alt, click, drag and drop. Now we replaced the layer mask from the kill banding layer with our masking tight layer. So we are sure that we are only affecting the background and we are not touching the subject. So this is the before and after. And that's all. This is why you want to use our masking tight or masking expanded actions. The same thing with the mask creator expanded. I'm gonna run it. And now we have an empty layer with a layer mask, and we can use this layer mask to replace whatever we want. In this case, I just replaced the kill banding. We can delete this if we don't need it anymore, also this one. And let me show you. This is without any layer mask, and this is masked with the expanded layer mask. What I'm gonna do in here is I also gonna paint with black, selecting the layer mask over this flying hair or this one, and that's all. So now we are sure that we have pretty clean and no banding at all background, and the model is not affected by the kill banding action. So that's all, and this is one of the many uses that you can find for the mask creators. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.